Who buys the food for your kids? Who makes the food for your kids? What's the problem? Your children, they don't have an opinion. They don't have an opinion. This is the food in the house. This is what you eat. I don't want to eat that. Then you don't eat. Then you don't eat. We got strawberries, we got apples, we got bananas, we got pears, we got grapes, we got blueberries, we got cherries, we got oats, we got chicken, we got rice, we got broccoli, we got butternut squash, we got steak, we got sweet potatoes. Mom made a pasta, we got chili. I don't want that. Hey, then don't eat. More for me. I tell my kids, more for me. Good, don't eat that. Good, more for me. Parents, your children do not get a vote. They're children. Their little brains aren't even formed yet. They don't buy toilet paper. They don't even buy toilet paper to wipe their little tushies. Why are we giving them the authority to dictate the menu in our household? They're not filing tax returns. They're not cleaning the gutters. Why are we acting like they're responsible and mature? They know they're what they want in life. There are these little blob minds that are just being formed, and they seek pleasure. They test boundaries. It is our job as parents to provide guardrails and teach them what is best for them.